What's going on, guys? So we are at the Cosmopolitan. I love this casino hotel. It's beautiful here. We got the 2 standard queen room, 460 square feet, city view. So city view, very nice, very beautiful. As you can tell, we have the 2 queen beds. Inside we have the shower. We have a walk-in shower, no tub. Thanks, Bob. Thanks. She's messing with the lighting, you know, make sure I look good, I guess, in front of the camera for all of you guys.
You gotta be kidding me.
But yeah, it's pretty spacious. Some hotels have 300 square feet, 360 square feet. So it's another 100 square feet right here, 460. No balcony. I was trying to get an upgrade, but they were all out. I was gonna get a studio king bed upgrade, you know, the rollout couch, but it didn't happen because they were so busy. But this one's very beautiful. It has beautiful tile in the shower. The tile on the floor is pretty nice. The black counters on the sinks and stuff like that, beautiful. Nice, like this not see-through door, if that makes sense, you know, and the shower, of course, like that. That window, you can't see, it's like a painting on the other side, you can't see through, so don't worry. But yeah, very, very beautiful little room. Room costs about $250 a night on a Tuesday. A security deposit is around $150 per day. And then you get it back when you check out, of course. So they just hold it. About $250 a day. It's kind of on the pricier side, of course, you know. This room I did get for free. Okay, simple, guys. All you gotta do is go to the identity, you know, where they have the rewards cards, and get one. No matter if you guys are staying here or not, if you guys are visiting, just come in to check out Cosmopolitan, just get that card, go on a slot machine, blackjack, roulette, craps, whatever it is. You know, even in some of the stores, you use that and you get points. Okay, it's amazing. Right, mama? Right? Yeah. So it's amazing. So we got them free. I couldn't get the upgrade, but it's cool. Next time I'm gonna play here today. I am playing some other casinos too as well. But yeah, if you guys want to stay here, I say just do it. Just stay here, or maybe stay something off property and they come here and play. But get that card, all right, guys. Get that card and play, and they will contact you, email you, let you guys know what kind of points you guys have, and if you guys have any discounts or free rooms and free food and stuff like that. So yeah, so do that, all right, guys. Right here, they have the little mini bar and fridge right here. Look how nice it is. So you do get, in Cosmopolitan, I believe, you do get your own refrigerator. So you get your own refrigerator that's pretty iced out in the back, so it's nice. And then you have the mini fridge, of course. Guys, do not touch any of these unless you guys want to get charged. If you guys have like a $50 resort credit or food credit, you know, you could take a Fiji, a drink, a beer, and it'll be charged, and then you won't even like it'll use that credit, you know, let them know that you have that credit, and then you're all good. But if you don't have that and you do want to go through and just wipe it all out and you got the money, might as well just do it, you know, just do it, guys. But it is expensive. Like a water I know is like probably like $6-7, you know. And they do have like little snacks right here too as well. They're all weighted so they know which one has been taken, which one has been touched. So you guys have kids or whatever, or you accidentally, you know, touch it, call them up and let them know you didn't take it, and then they won't charge you. All right, guys, easy. But I might get a drink. I might get a little shot right now to take a shot. I'm back home, guys. I just want to let you guys know the hotel is amazing casino. The food there. I know I didn't show a lot of stuff. I got busy. I'm doing another vlog to it, but I should have recorded more of. They have the district food court too. There they got STK. They got a pizza, secret pizza. They got other kinds of restaurants and shops too as well. So it's pretty amazing there. 8 out of 10 my experience. I love it. I love going there. It's so beautiful. I love staying at the top, you know, casino floor. Bellhop was a little busy too, so it took probably 30 minutes to get the bags up there. Housekeeping was quick. I needed pillows. It came back like five minutes, you know, quick. Valet was pretty backed up too, you know, when you go down there to pick up our vehicles at the end of it. It was pretty backed up, but I think all of them, when you check out, they're always backed up anyways. But other than that, the casino is amazing. You guys go check it out if you guys can. If you guys want to spend the money and get the room, you know. When you get there, ask for an upgrade so they can probably upgrade you guys too as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys watched to the end, I'm so appreciated. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, comment. It really helps me out. If you guys could like, share to somebody, comment too. It really helps me out big time. I got more videos coming too along, so if you guys want to check them out on the playlist, I got Rookie's Munchies, where I go out and try different types of food. I got more Vegas content. I got cars, trucks, stuff like that. Everything Rookie's Lifestyle, every type. But remember, guys, have a dope ass day. We're all rookies, all right?